In order to remove the seats out of your EK Civic, you're only going to need a 12mm socket on a ratchet and, if possible, a flathead screwdriver. In order to take out the seats, just get your ratchet, go at the front of the seat, and take off this. Take off this bolt. And this bolt. After you take out the front two bolts, all you're gonna have to do is just scoot the seat up by pulling this. And then on the back, you're gonna have this bolt, and then you're gonna have one under this little cover. So if you have that flathead, just go ahead and pop this off. There you go. Just take off these two. Just like that, the seat's loose. It come out no problem now. For the driver's side, it's the same process. Just before you unbolt anything, go under the seat and make sure to unclip this wire from the seat. This is for the seatbelt sensor. Just unclip that before you remove. Otherwise, when you pull out the seat, you could rip this. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, drop a like down below for more Civic content. Peace.